What's up, everyone? This is 2023 Bowman Draft Sapphire 2-box random team number 53. Good luck. 7 on the dice roll teams. 7, 7, 7. Here we go. 6, 7th and final. Guards at the top, Rangers at the bottom here. Seven you see there. And Casey at the top, Carrick at the bottom. If you guys need any trades, let me know. Guys, go ahead and guess the first auto of the break. Guess the first auto of the break for 20 in credit. Go, go, go. Guess, guess, guess. Guess, guess, guess. Guys, also hit the like button. If you guys haven't hit the like button or subscribed, you should absolutely do both. I'll need another 3. This is insane. All right, I'm just going to throw something else up here on the screen. For the Marlins came out for John Zilla. Yes, they did.
No foul.
HTA. Brassard took the Brewers. Cool. And I guess screen 4 here.
Trying to go to work. Oh my! That might be it. That might be it.
Oh man.
That might be it, Cat.
A 3? Did he have 3?
They had another one. That might be it. Unless Kentucky can get a stop. A stop or a steal. That might be it for Kentucky.
Oof. Damn.
Those Wildcats.
Back-to-back years, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure they lost. I think Chris was telling me yesterday they lost to
A lower C team.
they lost, yeah, they were the 2 seed last year and they lost to St. Peter's.
Jeez.
They lost to the 15 this year. They're the 3. I'm losing to the 14.
16. Oakland's 14.
They're the 14, yeah.
Sorry. I tried it.
Guess the first auto of the break. Go, go, go. What's up, Cody? We're going to be set up here after this break.
They better do something special.
Gotta go quick.
Ooh, nope.
That's not the shot. That's
Yep,
not the shot
that's
you're
game.
looking for. Really bad shot from Shepard there.
Terrible.
Oof. Not it. All right, here you go.
That's sorry. That's the game.
Let's see what we got. Guess the first auto of the break. Wow, we have a red. We have a red. We have a red. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. And away we go. First auto of the break is the guess if you haven't done it already. Probably have a couple more seconds. Ethan O'Donnell for the Reds here. Nice Tayshawn Walton here for the Phils here, going to Minsky. It's a Philly, easy peasy on the yellow. Walton. T-Walt. Minsky not even guessing. Not even gonna guess. It's a bold bold way to do it, Minsky. Is Ty Floyd. I feel like I see Ty Floyd's name guessed all the time. Ty Floyd is the base auto.
Yeah, I see it.
Gold here of Mikey Romero. Mikey Romero. We'll roll over the we'll roll over your guys' guesses for the red here. We have a red, so we'll just roll over the guesses for 15 in credit. For 15 in credit. Nice Tommy Troy as well. Tommy Troy. No one guessed Tommy Troy, not even on the second one. Matt Shaw base yellow of Hunter Holland. Hunter Holland. Good luck, everyone. Drop the red. Drop the red. Gold of Cole Foster. Cole Foster on the gold for the Giants here, going to Big Air Jer. And let's get to the red, baby. Come on, red. Come on, red. Let's see what we got. First, for the O's, it's going to be for the O's and Carrick. It's Kiefer Lord, my lord. Kiefer Lord is our red out of Bowman Draft Sapphire. Kiefer Lord. Chief Kiefer, exactly. 3 out of 5 on the Chief Keef. Red. Recap. Yellow, Holland and Tayshawn Walton. Golds, O'Donnell. Red of Kiefer Lord. Nice red Kiefer Lord here. Our autos were Tommy Troy in the Sapphire selections. It's a nice hit there. And Ty Floyd for the Reds going to Hoko. That was 2023 Bowman Draft Sapphire 2-box random team number 53. Thank you. We'll see you at 54.